Learn easy English, one scene at a time. Perfect for beginners and kids. Interactions at festivals or events. Hi. Hi. Hello. Hello. It's festival day. It's festival day. There are so many people. There are so many people. So many food stalls. So many food stalls. I look forward to it every year. I look forward to it every year. What should we eat first? What should we eat first? Let's get takoyaki. Let's get takoyaki. Sounds good. Sounds good. Let's wait in line. Let's wait in line. The line is moving fast. The line is moving fast. We're almost there. We're almost there. Let's eat. Let's eat. Be careful, it's hot. Be careful, it's hot. It's really delicious. It's really delicious. I'm glad you like it. I'm glad you like it. What should we try next? What should we try next? How about yakisoba? How about yakisoba? I'd love that. I'd love that. Let's get some drinks. Let's get some drinks. What would you like to drink? What would you like to drink? I'll have ramune. I'll have ramune. It feels like summer. It feels like summer. It really does. It really does. The fireworks are starting. The fireworks are starting. Let's hurry over. Let's hurry over. We have a great view. We have a great view. They're so beautiful. They're so beautiful. Let's take a picture. Let's take a picture. Sure. Sure. Did it turn out well? Did it turn out well? It came out great. It came out great. Today has been amazing. Today has been amazing. I'm glad we came. I'm glad we came. Let's come every year. Let's come every year. I think so too. I think so too. Want to walk a bit? Want to walk a bit? Sounds good. Sounds good. The breeze feels nice. The breeze feels nice. It's getting cooler. It's getting cooler. Ready to head home? Ready to head home? Time flies so fast. Time flies so fast. Thanks for today. Thanks for today. My pleasure. My pleasure. Let's come again next year. Let's come again next year. It's a deal. It's a deal. Get home safe. Get home safe. Thank you. Thank you. See you later. See you later. See you. See you. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.